Hey Zeus. Hey Guardian Eyes. I see you're guarding the new magical friends. The Elemental series, we have the Sun and Moon. I'm too excited. I say, let's get right to it. Let's open them up. Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z. This is Cornelius, and you all know Zeus. Apparently it's bath time in the middle of filming. And today we're bringing you Magic Mixies, the Magical Gems Surprise Series. These are the newest ones. We did a video, I believe, around this time last year that introduced fire, water, and earth. We never got an air. They skipped right to sun and moon. And again, there's at least 2 of each, but then I think that was the same with like 2 of each element last time, but then there were like secret ones. I never officially figured out how many there are. I need to because I want them all. I think before the cauldrons were all just one color, where these are 2. I like it. And the emblems on the front, these cauldrons are getting fancier. Okay, and there's stuff in here. There was stuff in there. Alright, so we have the potion bottles for the sun and the moon. The moon has a moon, this one has like a little diamond on it. Okay, it does appear that, give me that. The naming scrolls are the same, but then, even the potion mix, sun and moon. I don't want to confuse them or we'll get some sort of mutant abomination mixing. Nobody wants that. I want that. So it shows you the 2 sun and the 2 moon you can get, but then there's coming soon. But how, if they're not out yet, how are you supposed to get them? This is my only problem, Moose. We have some talking when it comes to the Magic Gem series. Alright, step 1. Add the bubble and fizz dust. Alright, here's the sun. Oh, child. Now, for the moon, it's very confetti-like. Now we need the naming scroll. Zeus, what should we name them? Marvin the Moon. Oh, I shouldn't say they are slightly different. The sun one is orange and the moon one is pink. The sun one will be Seth. In go the naming scrolls. Now, water. Making a mess. Making a big old mess. Oh! You would think I'd be used to the jump scare by now. Yeah. That is so stinking cool. Alright, let's do the sun. Oh, that's its head? There's water in it. Like his eyes have a liquid glitter in it. Ooh, and I got a sun ring. I'm so confused at this process. A horned owl, but like actually with horns. That's kind of delightful. And my moon ring. Marvin and Seth. Overall, I mean, it's easy to say. These are amazing. Again, as I mentioned, this is my favorite out of the mixed things, even the big cauldron ones. I have, and like crystal balls, awesome. But these still have a lot of fun with the naming scrolls and the potions. You don't have to worry about the electronics, and even the plushie is more, plushy. And there's just so many now that it's still like a decent amount to collect if you can figure out the pattern and get them all. I believe the original color changing series was much easier because you could look at the eyes. Then the Elemental series, possibly, and now this one I have no idea. And then with this coming soon, so if somebody has this figured out, hell. But yeah, overall, I'm in love and need more. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you tune in next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. Some sort of scare the bejesus out of me magical creature that just is the most adorable thing ever. Thanks so much. Bye! And here we have our Magic Mixies, the Crystal Surprise friends. Both Sun, Seth, and Moon, Marvin. Listen, Seth had a rough night. I could not get his little hedgehog butt to stand. I'm sure I'll make a full recovery.